Presidential Hospital, Medical Center Hospital of President's Affairs Administration of the Republic of Kazakhstan, a unique multidisciplinary institution in the heart of Central Asia which contains the world's best practices of diagnosis, treatment and rehabilitation in combination with modern equipment and leading specialists of Kazakhstan's healthcare.
Больница медицинского центра управления делами президента.
Medical Center Hospital of President's Affairs Administration of the Republic of Kazakhstan is a multidisciplinary scientific and clinical production complex which can handle a variety of tasks of modern biomedicine. The hospital treats the most severe diseases associated with both age and environmental change. 2,060 people work in the hospital. These are doctors, scientists, and medical staff. The hospital has a very modern, highly differentiated medical equipment that studies and investigates the body and diseases at the molecular level. Over 2,300 devices that allow us to make an accurate diagnosis. The main activity of the hospital is aimed at the introduction and successful implementation of innovative projects and technologies to ensure a high level of quality and safety of medical care, optimization of operating procedures, and modernization of the treatment process. Currently, more than 90% of all operations in the hospital are performed using endoscopic technologies. With the help of such an innovative method, surgeons perform more than 6,000 operations per year. The robotic system installed in the hospital allows laparoscopic robot-assisted operations in urology, gynecology, and general surgery. Diagnostic algorithms and treatment regimens are based on the principles of evidence-based medicine.
Our
surgical unit has traumatological, neurosurgical, X-ray, endovascular, cardiac surgery services, as well as the eye microsurgery and ENT, a multidisciplinary center in which both persons attached to the hospital and any citizen of the Republic of Kazakhstan have the opportunity to be hospitalized through the portal Bureau of Hospitalization and receive highly qualified medical care. The equipment of our center in many ways allows performing large volume operations through small punctures, minimally invasive surgery. In the pelvic organs and in the chest. We can perform the same operations on the joints, spine and brain. For the most part, about 85%, we try to do exactly such operations in the least traumatic way, so that the patient's recovery comes soon. Since 2018, Personalized Genomic Diagnostics Laboratory has been successfully operating, based on which high-tech molecular genetic studies using NGS technology have been put into practice to determine genetic predisposition to various diseases, determine sensitivity to drugs, and select targeted therapy, predict hereditary diseases, and diagnose oncological diseases at the gene level. Most of the equipment has no analogs in the CIS and Central Asia. The hospital can treat more than 10,000 patients per year. The therapeutic unit is represented by two large sectors: therapeutic and diagnostic. The therapeutic sector consists of 4 internal medicine departments. It represents almost all profiles: cardiology, pulmonology, neurology, rheumatology, nephrology, gastroenterology, endocrinology. Diagnostics is presented from a standard ultrasound to a state-of-the-art CT machine, which has no analogs in Kazakhstan.
Сейчас мы занимаемся лечением самых сложных и тяжелых пациентов.
Now we are treating the most difficult and severe patients in terms of differential diagnostics and determining the tactics of patient treatment. Our good diagnostic base, which is represented by the latest expert-class equipment, allows us to optimize and personalize each of our patients. To date, we have a completed cycle of providing multidisciplinary care to the patient. This is diagnostics, treatment and rehabilitation. We have implemented a program for the rational use of antimicrobial agents, infection control system, and developed a program for the safe use of anticoagulants. A team of different profiles works with each patient. The patient is selected medical nutrition and complex of rehabilitation activities, which allows the patient to quickly restore health, organ functions, and improves quality of life. Our main potential is a team of doctors and nurses who introduce the best world practices into our treatment process, interning in advanced clinics in Europe and Asia. Innovative approaches in diagnostics are the development of nuclear medicine. PET-CT allows to detect functional and morphological changes occurring in various organs and tissues at the early stages of the pathological process, to carry out diagnostics on this basis to justify and timely prescribe adequate treatment. In oncology, with the help of PET-CT examining the entire body, it is possible to identify the primary malignant tumor and metastases of any localization. From 2021, a new checkup department operates in the hospital that is designed according to modern international standards, allowing you to pass all the stages of checkup diagnostics in the shortest possible time. The main task of our department is to conduct a comprehensive medical examination. It is carried out in order to identify any diseases, risk factors. This is a timely diagnostics and correction. The advantage of our department is that the diagnostics is carried out in short terms within 1-2 days. The patient immediately receives the results of diagnostics examinations. We have developed several programs, 8 standard programs, basic and premium programs. Standard programs are aimed at diagnosing certain organs: endocrinological, neurological, gastroenterological checkup. The basic program is aimed at basic diagnostics for people over 30 years of age. Premium program is more in-depth diagnostics using high-tech equipment. The hospital is also actively developing such areas as epilepsy treatment, hybrid cardiovascular surgery, medical rehabilitation, cardio rehabilitation, neuro rehabilitation, rehabilitation after injuries, endoscopy, etc. Medical Center Hospital of President's Affairs Administration of the Republic of Kazakhstan received a certificate on compliance of the healthcare entity activity with the national accreditation standards on December 25, 2018 and a certificate of compliance with the ISO quality management system on December 27, 2018. In April 2019, compliance with the requirements of international JCI standards was confirmed. From year to year, the hospital occupies a leading place in the list of rating evaluation of the activities of hospitals in the Republic of Kazakhstan, both in terms of clinical indicators and management indicators. It is worth noting that the Presidential Hospital cooperates with the World Health Organization,